Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It's your girl, Dede, the mom, the boss. How are you all doing today? I hope you are doing good. So in today's video, we will be doing something very exciting. I hope you stay tuned until the end of this video because it's going to be an exciting video. We're going to learn 101. This is very important for all of us, especially if we like decoration or if we like to have our space look nice, unique and clean. We are learning 5 different ways to dress up our plates on our dining table. Yeah, so we're going to be learning 5 styles to dress up our table napkins or make our table napkins look very unique. If you like videos like this, do not hesitate to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. It helps this channel. Make sure you comment, drop your favorite style down below and let's chat. You know, we're gonna have fun. And also do not hesitate to click the notification bell after you subscribe so that you would always be notified every single time I upload a video like this. So guys, if you would like to see how we achieve all that I'm talking about, please stay tuned. Enjoy yourself and tell me what you think down below. Thank you and see you in the video. So for the first style, we would be doing this very easy style. You just place your table napkin on the table and you're going to use whatever ring you have or napkin ring you have. You just hold it at the center, pull it up like this, and then you take your napkin ring and you put it from the top, slide it down to the middle, and voila, you have a table napkin. Tell me how you like it. How is this? It's very easy and it's very beautiful. I just love it. This is my go-to every single time, especially when I'm in a hurry. Now let's do style number 2. I will use my table napkin and put it in this shape and then fold it over exactly like what you just saw right now. And then do little folds from my end up till like 3/4 in, and I will leave a little bit at the top. This is to make a rose table napkin decoration. So this part has to be, it doesn't have to be too small and it doesn't have to be too big. Your folds don't have to be too tight either, and they don't have to be too loose. If you do it a couple of times, you would really understand exactly what I did. Do not be surprised if your first attempt is as easy as what you see on the video. This is a very easy style and you would love it. At the end, I'm just gonna fold this end that you see right into that little fold right on the napkin. And after I fold it, I'm just gonna wing it out to form a rose. For style number 3, we will be making a bow. In the same shape like I put the rose, I'm going to take this to the center. Both ends are going to be facing the center. And then I'm going to fold my napkin from my end to the center and fold the top from the top end to the center. When both folds are close to each other, I'm going to hold both of them together and then I'm going to use my ring and apply it to the napkin taking that ring to the middle of the napkin. My ring is a little bit big, so it wiggles around. Then I'm using the ends of each napkin and bringing it to the middle of the ring. My napkin is not cotton, so it's a little bit harder, but it works. Style number 4 is probably the easiest and it's just the sweetest. I love it. It's just a go-to. And look, this is just self-explanatory. Like I just fold and apply a ring. I love it so much because it's so easy but so chic and beautiful and elegant. It's so easy. Like just watch and follow. Finally, style number 5. So I'm going to fold my napkin into 2 to form 2 rectangles, and then I would fold this rectangle into 2 to form 2 squares or 4 squares pretty much. And then I will take the outer end of each square and fold it to the other end. And then the second layer, I fold it under the first square, or the first, like it has formed a triangle at this point. And then I use the third layer to fold under the second triangle or the second square it was before. Then you can just watch from here because it's going to be harder to explain, but the video explains it all. Hey family, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you liked every piece. If you did, please do not hesitate to give me a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you would always be notified every time I upload a video like this. And hey, do not hesitate to comment down below your favorite of all 5 of them. And if you want videos like this, tell me you want them so I can keep creating this type of content. Thank you and see you in our next video. Bye. Come back, be with me. I just wanna behold you. Time to say goodbye to your love again. Missing you, I'm missing you. Come to me again. Come on baby, let it go. Make me fine again.